some episode ago, we're talking about error checking, and this is the second part of error checking episode. And this is going to be a very short episode because there was actually a part of error checking that I forgot to add in that episode. So I'm adding it here as an extra episode, and that is basically making formulas or making errors do what you want them to do for you. So basically, you can say that there will be a potential error if we divide by zero. That is basically going to be if you say this cell this is equal to um, B18 D18 rather divided by zero. So we'll get an error divided by zero error. So now, assuming you are working in an institution or you are working in a business organization, your boss might not want to see this kind of errors in your worksheet. So basically, and one way of avoiding these kind of errors, if basically you are trying to reference them, is, for example, if I wanted a cell to be in reference of this one, so I'll just say equals to. So there's a way you can actually avoid errors and predict them. So you can say if let's do an if, then let's say is error. So if this autocomplete, you can do that. It's error. That means if we have an error in E12, so we'll give a condition of what to do if it is true. If there's an error, then we'll return 0, and if there's no error, we return E12 plus 5. So add 5 to the value of E12. So let's assume that that's the case. So I'll copy this formula down to show you the effect. So in this case, you can see that we just reference an error cell without actually carrying the error. So another way of defining this is basically we can also use if error directly. So let's use equal to if error. So this is a direct way. So basically, we can use the value if true, the value if there's no error. So let's say we need it to be equal to E12 plus 5 plus 5 if there's no error, and then if there's an error, we insert 0. So okay, that's one. And then it gives us 0. So you have actually referenced an error cell without actually getting the error. So let me show you the let's call it the unwise way of doing the same thing. So we could have just directly referenced the error without using the if error. So E12 plus 5. So you see what it gives us? It gives us that divided by 0 error. So this error will keep multiplying. If I copy this, it will keep multiplying. And okay, it didn't. I was actually thinking it will keep multiplying. So but basically these are the best two ways. You can use the if and nestle the is error inside it. Or you can use the if error directly to avoid copying an error. And this doesn't just avoid to divided by 0 error. It applies to different and every error in Excel. So this is a very, very good way if you want to avoid an error and still come back to it and edit or debug it. So this is not code though, but I guess we can still borrow terms from coding. So thanks for watching.